Hello, welcome. We have been doing translation of Hindi stories into English, but our main purpose is to learn English. But I think reading stories is the best way to learn any language. If you are not able to get an atmosphere of English, of that language, atmosphere I have already explained to you. You already may be aware what atmosphere means for learning a language. I will explain it to those who are new here watching this video for the first time. Atmosphere means you are surrounded by and with the language. All people around you are using the language in real sense. Real sense, not just for teaching. You are living among those people who are speaking English naturally. Okay, they are talking and working in that language. That is the real atmosphere. Sometimes we have to create this atmosphere, like in schools. Sometimes they have this atmosphere of English. Most of English medium schools even they lack this is the bitter reality of our education system. But those who are really have this English as a medium of instruction, that is English medium, that we should call real English medium schools or any institution, college or whatever. Those who have this, they also, we can say, they have created an atmosphere that is also quite good, better than not having it. Something is better than nothing. So after that, if you are not able to get the atmosphere, then stories are the best. Incidentally, our recent stories have been of spiritual kind. Our today's story is also kind of spiritual, and that tells us what should we do about what is the right way of worshipping and what is the right way to go forward with this attaining God, spirituality in life. So let us read. I like it. I hope you will also like it. So this is the story. गुरु को खोजने के लिए शिष्यत्व जरूरी. शिष्यत्व, this is a difficult word to translate, but still I will try. गुरु को खोजने के लिए, गुरु means real teacher or mentor. To find real mentor, you need to be a real student. So शिष्यत्व का मीनिंग हो जाएगा real studenthood. We can say you need to be a good student to find your real teacher or mentor. It starts like this. एक युवक के मन में योग साधना के प्रति जिज्ञासा उत्पन्न हुई. A young man had a new interest in this yoga and meditation. इसके लिए गुरु की खोज में भटकते हुए उसने एक स्थान पर देखा. In search of finding a teacher for this purpose, he was wandering here and there, and at one place he saw एक फकीर पेड़ के नीचे बैठा ईश्वर स्मरण कर रहा है. He saw a beggar. These things, फकीर का real sense में it is difficult to translate. So beggar is not the proper word. So I will try to get back to you a better word. For time being, let us carry on with this beggar. He saw a beggar sitting under a tree, praying to God. उसने उसके पास पहुंचकर निवेदन किया. He went up to that beggar and requested, बाबा मुझे कुछ सूत्र बताइए. Old man, please tell me some tips, ताकि मैं भी अपनी छिपी हुई शक्तियों को जान सकूं, so that I can also realize my hidden powers. करना manifest भी होता है, MANIFEST, वो भी, that is also, but that is a kind of heavy word, so simple word is realize. फकीर ने युवक की ओर देखा. The beggar looked at the young man और कहा and said, योग साधना में दीक्षा देने का अधिकार केवल सदगुरु को है. सदगुरु means the true teacher, the true mentor. He said that to teach yoga and meditation, only a real or true teacher is supposed to provide this education, real education. Only a true teacher can give it in the real sense. वही तुम्हारी कामनाओं को तृप्त कर सकते हैं. Only such a true mentor can satisfy your desires or queries, questions or curiosity. मैं तो बस तुम्हें सदगुरु की पहचान बता सकता हूँ. I can only tell how to find such a true teacher जो प्रकाश पुरुष हैं. He will be a source of light covered by a special aura, A-U-R-A, aura, that is the light that naturally everybody has, and those who are enlightened, they have very strong aura around them, and this is he is talking about. एक दिन तुम उन्हें ऐसे ही किसी पेड़ के नीचे बैठा हुआ पाओगे. One day you will find that teacher just like I am sitting here. In the same manner he will also be sitting under a tree. उनकी देह से प्रकाश निकल रहा होगा. A light would be emanating, E-M-A-N-A-T-I-N-G, emanating from his body. बस तुम उन्हें ढूंढो. Just look for such a teacher. युवक सदगुरु की तलाश में चल पड़ा. And the young man set out in search of the true teacher. दिन मास और वर्ष बीत गए. Days, months and years passed. आखिर वह इसी खोज में भटकते हुए एक पेड़ के पास पहुंचा. At last, in his quest, Q-U-E-S-T, लॉन्ग सर्च को क्वेस्ट बोलते हैं. In his quest, wandering, he reached near a tree. वहाँ दिव्य प्रकाश फैला था. There was a divine light spread around that tree. एक वृद्ध फकीर प्रकाश पुरुष के रूप में उसके सम्मुख थे. An old beggar from whom this divine light was emanating, he was there in front of him. युवक फकीर के चरणों में गिर पड़ा. The young man fell at that old beggar's feet. फकीर ने उसे बड़े प्यार से अपनाया. The beggar took him or accepted him lovingly. युवक ने फकीर को गौर से देखा तो पाया यह वही फकीर थे जिन्होंने उसे सदगुरु से मिलने का मार्ग सुझाया था. The young man looked at the beggar intently, carefully, and he found out, and he came to know that he was the same old beggar who had told him about looking for the true teacher. युवक ने पूछा, बाबा आपने मुझे इतना क्यों भटकाया? ओल्ड मैन, और बाबा की अब इंग्लिश में तो ओल्ड मैन ही बनेगा, लेकिन that does not give the sense of Baba in English. So this is, I hope you understand where translation goes limping. It lacks some things always, so we should try to find proper word. So, or you can say sire or sir. Better word is sire. S-I-R-E. Why did you make me wander so much? पहले ही क्यों नहीं अपना लिया? Why did you not accept me then when I came to you for the first time? फ़कीर ने कहा, the beggar said, बेटा मैं तो वही हूँ. I am the same person. Son, I am the same person. हाँ तुम अब बदल गए हो. But yes, you are now changed. पहले तो तुम में मात्र कौतुक था. कौतुक means curiosity. Earlier when you came here, you only had some curiosity. अब तुम में शिष्यत्व भी जाग उठा है. But now you have become the real student in the real sense. तभी तो तुम मुझे पहचानने में समर्थ हो गए. That is why you have become able to identify me, to recognize me. So this is the story. I hope you liked it. Sometimes some things in life are very deep. They are more than what they seem or look. So leaving this to you, to your knowledge and discernment and understanding. So you may find even better, more meanings and better meaning than I. Tell me in your comments how did you like it, what you understand by this. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.